Hey guys, well, happy Friday. Sorry I'm not here. We're going to take a pause in our projects. When we come back next week, don't worry, we'll dive right back in. So, dog toy design if you're in 6th and 7th, bookcase design in 8th grade, and I should have the materials next week, at least enough to give us an idea how to get started. So, what are you going to do today? Well, it's pretty simple. It's in the folder here behind, or above me, I should say. Friday, October 27th, you have two options. I'm going to give you the option today. The first one is robot research. So if I click on that and open it up, it's actually just about 12 questions? I don't even remember here. No, 11. 11 questions, and what I want you to do is, we're talking about the field of engineering. There's a lot of robotics in that, right? And my 8th grade class will eventually be robotics. And so what I want you to do is find a specific robot. When I say specific, I mean specific. You can't just say, well, I'm going to pick a Tesla. Well, that's not a robot. That's a car. It's not, it has some automated functions, but it's not a robot. So go out and find a robot. If you're struggling, here's some fields that use robot. Industrial, building, things like that. That's what industrial is, like big industry, big companies. The medical field, the assistive robot field, like doctors and nurses. There's some pretty interesting ones there. Exploratory robots that roam around, Mars rover, things like that. Automated guided vehicles, agricultural. I saw somebody's poster just yesterday. Pretty cool. They're using drones and robots and things like that for that. Telerobots, the auto industry, all of that. You can see all those. Find me a specific robot and tell me which one it is. That's in question 1. And then all of your questions at that point are based off those robots. Okay? If you want to use the one that Walmart uses that scrubs the floors, find out what the name of that is called and answer all the questions based off of that. Option number 2 is going to be Tinkercad. So what I've done is I've created a video. Yeah, it's a little lengthy, but we're actually going to build, if you choose this one, you're actually going to build the Parthenon. And the Parthenon is that ancient Roman structure that was back in Rome. I believe I put a real picture of it in the video. If not, I'll show you when I get back. But you're going to recreate it based off of my video. You're not just going to throw a couple of columns in there and call it a day. No, like when I go to grade this, it's got to look just like what you did in the video. Because I know some of you will try to cut corners and just do what you do. No. Just follow the video and create that. Now, if you're done with both of those before time and you need something to do, you're always going back to see what you can improve on. No, I have not finished all the birdhouses. I apologize. Really slow this quarter on grading. But find any Tinkercad lessons you missed. Find the poster thing if you missed it, right? Or what you can do, because everyone's been asking, not everyone, a lot of you have been asking about 3D printing, and yes, this would be the perfect day to get into Tinkercad and create your design that you would like to have 3D printed. Just make sure it's flat on that work plane to start, right? So create a design, and then we'll talk about that next week, about when we're going to be able to 3D print and how to turn those in. I will create a place on Schoology for you to upload your files, and we'll spend some time looking at that, how to do that, so that then I can start printing these things. All right? As always, any questions, shoot me a Schoology message. Issues with GoGuardian, shoot me a Schoology message, because I can always log in on my phone and make adjustments as needed. Okay? Have a great weekend. I'll see you next week.